Hello everyone, and welcome to Intro to Drawing. My name is Jake Muirhead. I'm the instructor, and in this short video I'm just going to show you how to navigate your way to Blackboard, where all the course content is, and talk a little bit about the components of this course and how how things are gonna work this semester. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to MyMC. You all know how to do that. And Blackboard, and you're going to go to this course, and everything that all the materials that you need, all of the instructional videos, the homework assignments, the links to websites that I want you to visit, the quizzes. There aren't a lot of those, but there are a couple of them. Handouts, everything is under course content. So that's really the place to begin. And the way things are organized within course content is by learning modules. And each week, we meet once a week on Saturdays. On Zoom, but before we meet every week on Saturdays, you're going to review a few items, and those items are organized in learning modules by week. So you can see there's an introduction to begin with, and then week 1 learning module. The first day we meet is September 15th. I need you to do a few things, and they're outlined in this agenda. You need to download and review the course syllabus. You need to watch a few short videos on how to use Blackboard, and you need to visit a website. The link is there, and you need to send me an email at my email address just to establish communication. You don't have to say anything. I just need to hear from you to know that you're there, and so that you know how to reach me. So you would click on the first module for the first week, and to do all those things. To download the syllabus, you do that here. And I want you to review the syllabus, and I'm going to answer all the questions you might have. And you're going to have questions during our Zoom session on that first Saturday. I need you to watch a few videos. You can do that here. These are videos. I'm not going to...
Original courses vary in design based on the instructor and the
go through them, but that's how you watch the videos, and they're going to help you to understand Blackboard and how to navigate Blackboard. And then the last thing is I want you to visit this website to look at some drawings, which will be inspirational and instructional. So all of the course content is outlined and organized week by week, and that's how it's accessible to you. And that's really the most important link for you to use when accessing this course through Blackboard. There's other links that I'm going to talk about real briefly. Our Saturday class on Zoom, you would click that link, and that's going to get you to our Saturday live meetings. And the Grade Center is how you can view your grades, and I'll talk more about that during our first Zoom session. Announcements. I will periodically send you announcements, which will go to your MC email, but you can also see them on this Blackboard page. So that's a general outline of where you can find important content relating to this course. But I'm going to go into this more in detail and answer your questions during our first live Zoom session. So I will see you then on September 5th.